You may believe your investment approach is intelligent, but it is not. The wealthiest 1% follow different investment methods than everyone else. Because this distinction allows them to succeed, people who place their funds in index funds according to conventional wisdom miss out on the exponential growth that the wealthy achieve through exclusive investment approaches. What would happen if I told you that you can take the C strategies for $100? Monetive presents an easy method to reach smart financial decisions. Most investment guidance turns out to be uninteresting and incorrect. The wealthy operate using distinct financial techniques. I will teach you 3 strategies which wealthy people use for success while explaining how you can apply them. I present clear information without complicated language to achieve financial results. Here are some strategies that I want to share with you. Number 1 is they prioritize assets, not just stocks. The highest 1% of people construct empires. Instead of buying stocks, the wealthy spend their time buying cash flow, generating assets which operate continuously while most investors are stuck in the stock market. Rental properties create passive income and private businesses scale, while alternative investments such as farmland and royalties generate ongoing payments during your sleep. Here's how you can start. Number 1 is look into REITs. They let you invest in real estate with just $100. Number 2 is consider buying a duplex. Live in one unit, rent the other. Number 3 is explore platforms like Monetive for small business investing. Remember, stocks make you a passenger. Owning assets makes you the driver. The 1% don't gamble. They acquire. The number 2 strategy is they make strategic use of debt. Rich people take advantage of debt rather than avoiding it. The 1% uses loans to create wealth-building machines in the following ways. They never take out loans for liabilities, cars, devices, only for valuing assets, businesses, real estate. They use OPM, other people's money, to fund their investments while keeping the profits. They lock in low fixed rates, 3-4% mortgages, to beat inflation. Your 3-step guide. 1. Establish outstanding credit. Aim for a score of 750. 2. Get low-interest loans that are secure. Compare business loans and HELOCs. 3. Purchase only cash-flowing assets, dividend stocks, rental properties. Pro tip: leave if the asset doesn't cover the debt within 5 years. The 1% calculates debt by return on investment rather than monthly installments. Number 3 strategy is their emphasis is on tax efficiency. The 1% plan their taxes instead of paying them, while the wealthy take advantage of perfectly legal loopholes to keep millions. Average earners are hit with tax rates of 30% or higher. Their playbook is as follows. Their methods. Your 3-step tax trick. Number 1. Set up retirement contributions automatically. Even $500 a month reduces taxes by $2,400 annually. Number 2. Hold stocks for more than 366 days to get lower rates by delaying selling winners. Number 3. Keep track of all your deductible costs. Home office. How many miles? Software. It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep is a key mindset. The wealthy simply read the fine print in the 6,000-page IRS code. Number 4 strategy is they have a long-term perspective, 10 years. While everyone else plays checkers, the 1% play chess. They concentrate on compounding over 10 years, ignoring monthly market noise. 3 methods to imitate them. Number 1, automate investments by setting them and forgetting them. Number 2, let winners run, never sell high-quality assets. Number 3, convert snowflakes into avalanches by reinvesting all dividends. What's the magic number? 10 years. Investing in something you won't be able to hold for 10 years is probably not worth it. If you stay in the game, time can turn $100 into $1,000. In 1995, Mark Cuban founded a small online radio station. Back then, streaming didn't matter. He did, however, see the future. Yahoo paid him $5.70 billion for it when they became enamored with dot-com businesses. He chose to spend the money on a basketball team, which is now worth 10 times as much. 3 things to learn from Cuban. Number 1, invest in uninteresting things that people don't care about, like he did with the early internet. Number 2, sell when everyone becomes overly enthusiastic, as was the case with the Yahoo deal. Number 3, use significant victories to purchase long-term profitable ventures such as the Mavericks. Please leave a comment if you are aware of another billionaire. Do you want to benefit from these secrets? Take 3 actions right now. Like, comment, and subscribe.